Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essential parts. Do not stall on theory. Attach the motor to the base, secure with hot glue, and strip the wires neatly. Once done, mount the LED and switch in sequence so you can test flow immediately. Make sure battery holder sits flat. You should wire motor output to a simple gearbox or propeller for demonstration and leave a spare lead for the generator stage. This gets mechanical energy ready for conversion and testing quickly. You now construct the energy conversion path, focusing on how and why each link matters. Mount a small pulley or gear on the motor shaft to step up torque or speed. This changes mechanical to electrical conversion efficiency. Once assembled, connect a bridge rectifier if the motor generates alternating pulses, then feed the output to the LED or a resistive load. Measure voltage and current at multiple speeds and make sure to log results. This shows trade. You finish by calibrating and validating the model so it proves the conservation principle. Tighten all fasteners, then run tests at low, medium, and high speeds while recording RPM, voltage, current, and calculate percent efficiency. Use those numbers to explain where energy is lost as heat or friction. Once you see consistent readings, secure wiring and label parts for presentation. If readings are 0 or unstable, check for loose connections, reversed polarity, or a cold solder joint. These are the most common failures and easiest to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.